Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by setting the page and layout so you can work fast. Create a square frame. 3x3 in is a standard sticky note size. Then pick RGB for digital use or CMYK for print. Once done, turn on rulers and a 8x8 grid to snap edges precisely. Add a rectangle with rounded corners as your base, then lock its position before styling. This early precision saves time and keeps every note uniform across your set. Now you design the content layer. Choose a solid color or a light paper texture to keep contrast high. Add text using a clean sans serif at 14 to 18 pt for clear legibility and use line height to avoid crowding. Place an icon or small sticker at 24 to 48 px to add personality without overwhelming the note. Once elements are placed, group them and duplicate to create variations, making sure alignment and spacing remain consistent across copies. Finish by exporting correctly. Choose PNG for crisp digital images or PDF at 300 dpi for print. If you plan sheets, arrange multiple notes with 0. 125 in bleed and 0. 125 in spacing on a single artboard to streamline printing. Make sure to group and name layers for easy edits. If text appears blurry after export, increase resolution or convert type to shapes before exporting. This preserves sharp edges and prevents font substitution when printing or sharing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.